Hey, good day. Welcome to our first episode of Cloze 101. And today is a quick tutorial on how to log into Cloze for the very first time. If you've never logged in, we're going to show you how easy it is to do. So I'm going to find my screen here. All you need to do is go to cloze.com, Cloze.com. And in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to say sign in. And when you do that, this window is going to pop up. Make sure that you click where it says continue with Google. I cannot stress enough. Make sure you click here where it says continue with Google. And then you're going to make sure that you check mark or click on your Talk to Tucker email. And then you will probably have a window that pops up, and it won't for mine because mine's already been logged in before, but you'll probably have a window that pops up that has several different items on there, basically saying, do you want to allow Cloze and Google to communicate? And you will just make sure you scroll down to the bottom of that window, hit allow, and then it'll bring you to your dashboard, which is what you guys see right here. So guys, it's that easy to log in. It's going to connect with your Google account. All your contacts are going to start coming over. Anything that's in your calendar, you'll start seeing over here in your dashboard as well. So it's that easy, guys. It doesn't take you long, and I challenge you to start checking it out today. Have a great day.